Hello guys, I'm Saeed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh, it's cold out here and it's raining really hard. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I'm risking my life to keep you guys posted. Say thank you and give a like, okay? Because it actually, right now where I'm stepping, there's a puddle. And usually when it rains in the balcony, there's no puddles. But now there's puddles. And like I said, it's really cold and the wind is so strong. I think there's a flood and yeah, shoot, it's getting more hard and I'm scared, not gonna lie guys, because anyway, just wanted to keep you guys posted and ooh, oh my god, as I open the door guys, you know, the wind slammed me. Well, not slammed me actually, but the, like, you know, I had to fight against, like, to keep it going, but yeah. So it said, so here in Texas, we kind of, well, at least I'm glad that it's cold because that's the weather I like. And not only that, but and Texas is rarely to get cold sometimes, you know. But it's the season to get cold. It's winter. It's usually hot, so. Anyway, guys, I think I'm about to go inside because I don't want to stay here too long. And I'm getting wet too. And yep, so see you guys. Oh my god, starting to rain more hard. See you guys. Bye. Love you all. I'll keep you guys posted. Guys, I'm inside my home and you can still hear I say the whatever hitting the door, like the raindrops. And you know, I don't know if you can guys hear it. Can you hear that? Where is school out there? Ooh, I see lightning. Well, actually, I'm not sure. Maybe. No, that's the light of my iPod Touch. Never mind. That was lightning. Anyway, I hope it doesn't. Hope it doesn't, like, you know, knock the power out or something like that. Anyway, guys, I'll keep you guys posted. Like I said, I like the cold, but guys, don't go when it's something like this, when it's cold outside, or like when there's a flood storm or something. Don't risk your life like I do, okay? Just don't. You know, it's not safe, you know. But anyway, bye guys.